Hello everyone, let us solve question 4. Okay, saying a club had a credit balance of 146,000 as its subscription on 1 January 2017. During the year, subscriptions of 1,000 or 1,300,000 kwacha were received, but 74,000 of this was in advance for the succeeding year. What is the amount transferred to the income and expenditure? So in the income and expenditure, we are calculating subscription for that year only. But remember that this one, which is on the credit side as at 1 January, it means that there is subscription that was paid in advance for this year. And again, this during the year we received 1,300,000, and part of it is for the next year, which is 74,000. So how do we find that? It's very simple. There are two methods. This one I've used a table. So the one on the credit side, you put it, okay, in the subscription account, you put it on the credit. Then what was received during the year, the whole lot of it that was received, you put it also on the credit side, which is cash or bank. 1,300,000, which is 1,300, as I've put it since it was on top. Then the one that was paid in advance, remember, if it was paid in advance, it is a liability, because the business is holding onto people's money, which it has to pay back in case people may wish to maybe leave the club, and they will demand their payment, which they had paid in advance, which is not our money. So to show that, how do we show to say this is an amount for creditors? Okay, they are creditors in short. So creditors at the close of the year, on 31 December probably, it will be on the debit side, okay? So that on the next date, or the first of the next year, okay, it will be on the credit side. Remember, the balance brought down may be on the debit, on the credit side. Okay, so now this subs in advance, we put it on the debit, which is 74, and then when we add what is on the credit, we'll get this figure and we put it here. Then when we subtract 74 minus this amount, we are going to get 1,372. This figure is what we are going to transfer to the income and expenditure account. There is another method of solving this question, so I'm going to repost it again on a different reel, because the videos I'm sending are just too short. So I'm going to share it on the next one.